But it's a special moment, like going in a car like the GT3. It's just the way that it feels and the way that it changes gear and the sounds that it makes. It feels most alive when it's going faster, like, you know, round corners, on the straight, whatever. When you're pushing it, that's when it feels its best. I've had that car now for 3.5 years, but it's just as exciting every time I drive it. I never really drive my car as much as I want to. But it's always in the back of my mind that it's there, and it's in the garage and it's ready, and normally clean, ready for the next time I can drive it. But every time I park it, every time I put it back in the garage, I can't wait for the next time to drive it.